Holders must watch this video because Cardano is after a very long time wake up. Not just unique Cardano coin, all cryptocurrencies is wake up after a very long time, and it's a a very huge jump, my friend. So I am so happy, I'm so excited to my favorite cryptocurrencies is wake up and starting with effort. So today video we predicate this coin, we tell you the opinion, we tell you about, my friends, this coin to this is good, my friend, and June for investing or not. So let's start this brand new video, but kindly hold it if you are new on our channel, so kindly click out the subscribe button and make sure, my brothers, to like the video. So this time the Cardano is one of the unique coin, my brothers, to they will give you a profit, especially in this month. But if we check it out, this is just possible, my friend, after a today last 24-hour chart. Exactly, this is possible. Otherwise, my friend, from last 7 days, as you can see here, the chart result is going to show you to the change occur will be negative now, and the price is goes down. So therefore it's not possible if they take a jump, my friend, in last 24 hours. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this last 24-hour chart. As you can see here, 6.28% the price is increased now. So I'm so happy to see this, and congratulations everybody, Cardano holder. This is very good news for all of you. Today will wake up after a very long time. And yeah, remember, holder, to if you invest in those days, so exactly you are completely in the profit, because the price 1.27 USD dollar is very cheap price, my friend. And I hope, my friend, they will hit 2 USD dollar. So if they will just only give you 0.8 USD dollars, so my goodness, this is gonna be very good profit if you just only buy it, my friend, and those days. And if you just my friend, buy it 100 coins of Cardano, so exactly you will get a very good profit. And if you invest 1000 coins, so exactly, my friend, buy 1000 coins, so you take a very good profit, my friend. And just only at the end of month they will give you 2 USD dollars. So it's possible, my friend, it's possible, because in last 1 month, just only in a few days, my friend, the price has come down to 1.2 USD dollar. So it's possible to they will take a very huge jump in this month. Let's see, my brothers, towards the day. But my opinion is completely, my friends, been a positive now, and I will tell you to buy it. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. So Cardano holders, buy it, hold it, and wait for the good time. I hope the price will be changed and to positive. Let's see to what they do. Kindly subscribe this channel and like the video.